Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Joy. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this mini waffle maker that I got from Amazon, and I will also show you guys how this works by using it to make a waffle so that you guys can see and decide if you want to purchase this. It looks really nice, and I can't wait to show you guys how this works and show you guys the waffle that I'm going to make with this. I'll have the Amazon link in the description of this video just in case if you're interested. So let's open it. Note, okay, and here goes the instruction manual book. It has all the instructions here. If you want different recipes for waffles, it came with some recipes. Look at that. It is so tiny, but oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow, it looks so cool. It looks so cool. Time to go make some waffles. First, the instruction says wipe down with a damp cloth. So I'm going to be making egg and cheese waffles. Okay, let me show you guys the magic. So here are the things that I am using. Here I have 2 eggs. I have cheddar cheese, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of everything bagel. So I'm probably gonna do this twice because I don't want this to spill. Sprinkle it with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to cover that and let it heat up. So now I can go ahead and pour the waffle inside the maker, the egg and cheese inside the maker, and then spread it all over. Cover this. Let it cook. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. But that is looking so delicious already. Okay, I think that's a sign because the light just turned off. That means that it's done. So I'm just gonna check it. Yes, it is done. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. That is looking so good already. time to top it up with my toppings. So here I have my toppings. Of course, you can use any toppings of your choice. I have my lettuce here, and I have cheddar cheese, and I have provolone cheese, and I have chicken breast, and I have tomatoes. You can use whatever that works for you. Is beautiful. This is nice. Look at that sandwich. Healthy egg and cheese waffle. I am loving that mini waffle maker already. So it's time to try it out. This is so good. This is so good. The little mini waffle maker is a must-have. You need to purchase this from Amazon, and I'll have the link in the description of this video. This is a must-have. So my overall review, this is a must-have. Especially if you live alone and you walk most of the time. This is like, it takes like 4 to 6 minutes to make this waffle, and that's not a lot of time for you to just throw in something like a waffle or anything inside that little mini waffle maker. You will not regret buying it. And if you live alone, if you travel a lot, if you're a camper, if you live in a dorm, if you're a student, this is a must-have. It is so good. It takes a few seconds to heat up, and then it will take like 4 to 6 minutes for you to have a very delicious waffle with your own healthy toppings, and it's so healthy as well. So I can't wait for you guys to try it out. Don't forget to use the link in the description of this video. It is $12.99, and you will get a discount if you use the link in the description. Hurry up and make sure you have this. It is a must-have. I hope you enjoyed my review on this mini waffle maker, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and until next time, take care.